My dear friends, during the first Easter Sunday, more than closed doors of their houses, a lot from the lives of the apostles of Jesus were closed, perhaps. Sumara na marahil yung kanilang bilib kay Jesus. Sumara na marahil yung kanilang pananampalataya sa taong ito. At marahil sumara na din yung kanilang tiwala kay Jesus na sinusundan at tinitingala nila. Jesus may have felt bad for having seen or visited closed houses and closed hearts of His disciples. But you know, Jesus took those moments as a chance to unpack, untie, and unlock their closed hearts. Matapos niya pong makilakad sa dalawang alagad, we heard it yesterday, the two disciples on their road to Emmaus, nagpakita din po si Jesus sa kanyang mga alagad. Hindi lang po siya nagpakita, but He even reviewed His apostles about His purpose. That what was written about Him would be fulfilled. And St. Luke described it by saying, then He opened their minds to understand the Scripture. Jesus opened their understanding once again. Even their capacity to understand was closed and locked. Di ho ba? Yung makulong lang po tayo sa napakataas na heat index ngayon sa loob ng kwarto, hindi ho tayo makatagal-tagal at gusto ho nating makawala at makapunta. Pupunta ho tayo 7-Eleven, pupunta ho tayo sa mall, para lang mawala ho tayo sa init na ito. At kung hindi tayo makawala sa init ng isang mainit na lugar, baka kahit yung isang puso na nakakandado na din, mahirap patagaling nakakandado at sarado. Kahit pag-iintindi na nakasarado, dadating ang pagkakataon, nabubukas din yan at luluwag. And this is what the Lord wishes to untie, unlock, and even unpack. Not only closed doors, but even closed minds and understanding. Na hindi na muli masakala sa hindi pag-unawa natin sa Diyos, pero makahinga din at malaya tayong muling makaintindi at makaunawa sa ginagawa ng Diyos araw-araw. Maybe we are like the disciples. We've lost our understanding about the things that is happening around us. At dahil sunod-sunod at patong-patong na ang problema, kahit pag-iintindi, isinasara na din natin. Kahit wala na tayong tinitirang bukas, Jesus will make a way to enter even inside a trying mind that understands. We may not really know why, but let Jesus open your mind and understand why. My dear friends, as we continue our Easter journey, what is the best thing for us to offer? Offer to Jesus your closed understanding. He will be ready to set it free for you. to open it and refresh it so that we can understand why and live our lives with the best of our whys, the best of our reasons.